Hello and welcome to Learning IT for All. In this video, we're going to be creating a Google Classroom banner by using Bitmoji. You're going to start off with Google Slides, New Presentation. You're going to want to close off this themes window here by clicking X. We're going to change the page setup. I'm going to go to Custom, Pixels, and then we're going to change the numbers to 800 by 200. Click Apply. These are the dimensions that are going to be needed for Google Classroom. We're going to take off these text boxes here. We do not need them. Now we're ready to create the classroom background. We can go to Insert, Image, search the web. We're going to type in the words we need. We're going to type in wall and floor background. In order to save time, I'm looking for a background that is already made. You're going to find the one that you want by clicking on it and inserting. You're going to notice that it is smaller than what you need, so you're just going to expand, copy, and paste. Move it to where you need it. You now have your floor and your wall. The next thing is to start adding things that belong in a classroom. Let's start off with a bulletin board or a whiteboard. Make sure when you're adding your items that you are typing the word transparent, either before or after them. Find the picture that you like, click on it and insert. Now you're gonna notice you don't like I don't like the way this picture is, so I can change it. I'm just going to crop out what I don't want. You're going to notice that it changes the picture. You're going to size it to the size that you want. I'm going to put it in the center of the room. You can add a bookshelf by doing the same steps. Image, search the web, type in bookshelf, just leaving the word transparent there. And you're going to find all these different types of bookshelves. I'm going to click on this one. Insert, make it smaller. If you don't like the color, you can also change it by going to Format, Recolor, and make it the color that you want. You can't see that one. Yellow. You can add different items to the bookshelf. Once you are done creating your classroom, I'm going to leave mine very basic because we're getting to the good part where we actually start putting in our Bitmoji. If you don't have Bitmoji yet, the simplest thing to do is to go to bitmoji.com. You're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says Bitmoji for Chrome. You're going to click on it and you're going to download it. Once it's downloaded, it will pop up right here at the top, somewhere here in the top, not necessarily in this order. Go back to your slide presentation and you're going to click your Bitmoji. You're going to start off on the left side of the screen and you're going to start adding in your different Bitmojis. I want to use this one first. It's peeking in. Make sure to size it. My next one, I'm going to have him walking. Or drinking coffee. Whichever one you'd like. Just drag him in. You pick and choose the ones that you want to use. Again, size them up. Now this is Mr. IT. You can choose as many different Bitmojis as you want. Now you're going to duplicate the slide as many times or as many Bitmojis as you have. You can add in the last one, which you will leave blank. So you're going to start off with this first one. So that means you're going to delete everything else. Next one. Now we're going to create the GIF. Go to add-ons, make sure you have Creator Studio. If you don't have it yet, just go ahead and go get add-ons and type in Creator Studio there. But since I have it, I'm going to Creator Studio and simply create GIF. You're going to notice that it's working. Make sure the output is 800 since the dimensions are 800. The intervals, you can go ahead and change them. It's from 2 seconds, you can go down to 0.5. All this depends on how fast you want it to go. Click on animated GIF and go. Go ahead and download. It downloaded, so I'm going to open it. As you can see, the GIF has been created. Make sure you save as, that way you know exactly where your file is. Google Classroom banner. Now you're gonna go into your Google Classroom. As you can see, I already have some for other videos that we've been making. I'm gonna choose a Social Studies tab. This is a class I want to upload my photo to. Upload photo right here. Select a photo from the computer. Remember where you had it saved to. I'm going to click on it and it's going to upload. Now you have a Google Classroom banner with Bitmoji. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to check out our other videos at Learning IT for All. Thank you.